All right, question for you. If I handed you powerful AI tools that are completely free and can actually start making you money from today, would you use them? Tool 1, PickLumen plus Sweet Home 3D. So here's the scoop. AI-generated design aesthetics are blowing up on platforms like Instagram and YouTube Shorts. Enter PickLumen, a free AI image generator that creates jaw-dropping, hyper-realistic interior designs. Want boho bedrooms? Minimalist offices? Retro cafes in space? Type it in, choose the realism model, pick your ratio, and boom. It generates visuals better than half the Pinterest boards out there. Pair that with Sweet Home 3D, a free open-source tool that turns your design into a 3D walkthrough. Want a side hustle idea? Post aesthetic reels with these renders, add trending music, and link sponsored items in your bio, just like major design pages are doing right now. Some of them rake in thousands through sponsorships alone. Tool 2, Suno AI. Music lover? Here's your cash cow. Suno lets you generate original music in any genre you can dream of. No band, no studio, just your imagination. I tried making medieval fantasy lo-fi, and it slaps. Create your own playlists, upload them to YouTube with titles like Deep Focus Music for Elves. Trust me, it works. And rake in that sweet ad revenue. Channels using Suno tracks are pulling in over $100,000 per year, and their videos are completely AI generated. And remember, YouTube treats this as original content. You get 100 free credits to start, 50 more every day, and each prompt gives you 2 songs. That's 10 new bangers a day for free. Tool 3, Gamma. Ever pulled an all-nighter just to finish a client deck that still looked meh? Enter Gamma, the AI presentation wizard. Just type in one line. And boom. It gives you problem slides, solution slides, monetization models, visuals, and even the Ask slide for investors. This isn't just PowerPoint. It's PowerPoint. With a brain. How to make money. Sell pitch decks to startups. Create downloadable ebooks from blogs. Offer automated deck services with AI-powered tweaks. Be the Fiverr ghostwriter, but for presentations. Tool 4, Clipchamp AI. Editing your YouTube or TikTok videos manually? Nope, not anymore. Clipchamp, backed by Microsoft, is a totally free AI-enhanced video editor with one standout feature: silence remover. It detects dead air in your video and auto-deletes it, turning long ramblings into snappy, tight jump cuts. Perfect for viral short-form content. Got a talking head channel idea? Now you can record on your phone, upload the raw clip, and Clipchamp handles the boring stuff. Fast, clean, easy, and free. Tool 5, Ideogram. Posters, infographics, stickers. Ideogram creates visual art from simple text prompts. And yes, it understands brand aesthetics like a seasoned designer. Prompt it. Create a retro-futuristic pizza delivery logo with AI vibes. And it delivers fire designs. How to make money. Sell logo packages to local businesses. Offer merch designs via Redbubble or Printful. Sell branding kits to solopreneurs. You're now a designer, without design school debt. Tool 6, KoalaWriter. Ever wanted to run a blog but hate writing? Say hello to KoalaWriter. This tool uses GPT-4 to generate fully SEO-optimized articles in minutes. I'm talking title, intro, meta tags, FAQs, everything. Create a niche blog, pet grooming, weird gadgets, outdoor survival gear. Pump out 10 articles a week and monetize it through affiliate links or display ads. Bloggers using Koala have seen 30,000 plus organic traffic per month. And yes, they're earning. Tool 7, Studio DID. Want to create YouTube videos but camera shy? Studio DID lets you generate a talking avatar that syncs with any script you upload. It's like a digital clone that handles the FaceTime for you. Combine it with KoalaWriter's blog posts turned into video scripts, throw in Clipchamp for editing, and you've got a faceless YouTube channel in 30 minutes flat. Monetizable, scalable, and totally automated. Tool 8, Recast Studio. Turn blog articles, tweets, or Reddit threads into engaging videos with Recast Studio. It automatically pulls content, animates the script, add subtitles and stock clips, and it looks slick. This is perfect for building TikTok/Instagram reels without showing your face or voice. Post, rinse, repeat. Add affiliate links in the bio or drive traffic to your YouTube. Tool 9, Murf.AI. Voiceovers made awkward? Not anymore. Murf.AI is a free tool that lets you generate realistic voiceovers from text. Male, female, accents, even emotional tones. Ideal for explainer videos, ads, tutorials, or audiobook-style content. Add your Murf voice to your Studio DID avatar, and now you're running a completely hands-free content empire. Tool 10, Pictory. Need to create scroll-stopping YouTube shorts? Long-form videos? Product explainers? Pictory uses AI to turn scripts into engaging videos with visuals, subtitles, and music in one go. Perfect for quote reels, inspirational content, and faceless motivation channels. Add affiliate products or shoutouts in the description, and you're monetizing every single upload. So there you go. These AI tools that are 100% free and already making creators money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI in Tech.